a different version of goulash. I'm gonna do this pasta here. It's bow tie pasta, I guess. Just the mini ones. I'm gonna put some mushrooms in it. Don't mind that, that's from my lettuce earlier. I'm gonna put some bell peppers from our garden. I know they're not very big, but hey, it's whatever. Some onion. And then we do turkey burger and some mushroom pasta sauce. Oh gosh. Alright guys, so I got my ground turkey here. I cut a little hole at the top. I'm just going to put it in here. Ground turkey is good for you. And it's actually a lot cheaper than buying beef. But I find for like our digestive system, it works out a lot better. So that's what we use, is ground turkey. And I'm going to wash my hands up. We're going to get that cooking in there. And it's going to have a little bit of water right now. So it'll give everything a little bit more, like, I guess it'll like steam it a little bit more. I don't know. So I need that to cook. We're going to turn that guy up. We're going to wait until it's really cooking. The noodles are starting to cook really good. And then this pasta sauce will go over the top of it. And I think I'm going to put it in a casserole dish to make it easier for them. And we're going to put some cheese over top of it because I have lots of cheese. But I'm also going to put in some garlic powder because how could you not put in garlic powder? My goodness, garlic salt. How could you not? And yes, it's the generic one, but it works just the same and it's delicious. And I just kind of sprinkle it over because once you cook it, it's going to, the flavors are going to go out of it and then you're going to have to make them over again. If that makes any sense. So I'm just going to see how it's like getting tender and cooking up. Alright. It's looking yummy. I got a little bit of a mess there, but let's see if we can zoom in on this bad boy. I don't know if we can. Don't fail me now, phone. Look at that. It looks yummy. The noodles are about to boil. So it's going to be done soon. It's going to be great. It's going to be worth it. All right, guys, I will see you back here in a few minutes. I just want to get this cooking up a little bit more and get everything else ready. All right, guys, we're ready for the pasta sauce. We're gonna heat that up. And then I'm gonna tip this over so it comes out all the way. And then we're gonna mix this all together in this pan. I'll put some lovely cheese on it. Put it in the oven for about, I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna put it in there until the cheese melts. This is ready. All right, so I'm warming up this. It's gonna splatter splash. It does that to me. I don't know why. Maybe it's because well, you know, I'm on high. I don't know. I'm gonna borrow this. And you always want to drain your noodles. You don't obviously want to put them in there with a pound of water on them, because why would you want to do that? All right. I'm just gonna get a scooper thing and scoop this in the pan because it's not working with me right now. So I got both pasta sauces in here with the onions and the meat and the everything. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna get in there because that's not what I do. I'm just gonna take this and just like pour it in here. Holy goodness, we're just gonna shut that off. It doesn't need to be bubbling like that. Ow, it's hot. Okay, back to this. So, I didn't get it drained all the way. That's not good. I wanted to. So what I'm gonna do is dump this in here, and then what I'm gonna do is mix it together. I'll scoop this out, mix it in there, but I don't wanna get the water in here. I want it to be not wet because it's gonna have all that sauce on it. And then what I'm gonna do is put a bunch of cheese on it, not a lot. I'm gonna put mozzarella cheese on it. Chris just came down because they're like, ooh, it smells so good down here. Chris was like, what are you making? I said, a different kind of goulash. He said, you didn't have to say that word. I'm just kidding. He did say that though. He's like, oh no, don't say that word. He's like, he's like, it sounds horrible. I don't know. He just doesn't like pasta. So it's whatever. He'll eat it. I should have mixed this together before I put it in this pan, but I mean, you can do it however you want. Oh gosh. I'm scared I'm gonna burn myself. Okay. Yeah, that didn't work out very well. But so you're gonna mix it together. And then after you're done mixing it, you're gonna put it in the oven so you can melt the cheese that's gonna go on top of it. I should have done this in the pan probably first. I don't know. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning with you. Like I said, I've not only made this once, goulash one time, and I've seen it on another Amy's Life Journey, I think. I want to say that's what the channel's called. Now I feel like an idiot because I don't remember it. Alright. So I'm just scooping everything in here. There's even more noodles left, and I'm not going to be able to fit them all in here. Alright. This is why in our new house there's more sufficient counter space to do this, and I can spread everything out. So what's going to happen here is it's going to get all mixed in. It's pretty mixed in right now. I should just throw the rest of these noodles in here. And then I'm going to put some garlic on it again because I want the flavor to be there when you eat it. I'm just going to do this just a little bit. And I'm gonna mix it in so it's not just hanging out. And then I'm gonna put my cheese on there. And then I'm gonna bake it for like, I don't know, like less than 5 minutes, just until the cheese melts. And then we'll be ready. I got this big bag of mozzarella cheese. Oh, Lord have mercy. I think that looks good, right? I need a good picture. All right, so I'm not gonna do as much cheese as she did. Like, nothing against it, that was a lot of cheese. I felt like I'm just trying to make it like cheesy, but not too over cheesy, if that makes sense. I don't want anyone to not like, to be like, oh, there's cheese on this. I'm just gonna cover it pretty much. Just like that. Maybe a little bit more. I have so much cheese, you guys. I have like 3 of these bags. My mom gave me so much of this. And yes, my hands are clean. Just throw that out there. All right. This is what it looks like.